Dear Anantyaholics, we're trying out something new today. This is called Naan Biryani. It's the first time I'm seeing it. I don't know how it's going to look on the inside. We already have Hyderabadi biryani and Lucknowi biryani on the menu, but our chefs always try something new to add. So let's see what this looks like. I'm going to cut into it or maybe just unravel it. No, cutting into it looks like the best thing to do. Let's give this a try. Now let me tell you what's so special about Naan Biryani. Right? So this, as you can see, is actually a naan. So the biryani is made separately, put into this earthen pot, covered with a naan here, and then baked. So you can see all the flavors of the biryani gets locked in and gel together under this naan. Now, having said that, let me try my yummy looking biryani. It's really good. So Anantyaholics, would you like to see Naan Biryani on the menu here at Anantya? Let us know in the comments below. And also give us other suggestions of what biryanis that you would like to see at Anantya. So until then, I'm going to be enjoying my biryani, and I hope to see you soon doing the same.